I'm coming at you from Windy Saddle Trailhead. We just hiked up. We parked right all the way down there. I don't know if you can see it. And we got our new hiking boots on. So far, so good. A lot better than Chuck's. But this view is insane, and I'm excited to see what else we find out here. Also, I'm so happy because I have a hoodie in my car, so I have a long sleeve, like light sweater, a hoodie, my Patagonia on, and I'm so warm now, and of course, gloves. Gorgeous.
We're gonna get to the top of this mountain, baby.
We made it. It was a nice little walk. I actually started to get warm. I was so nervous I was gonna be too cold, but I think I dressed perfect.
Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah.
You made it, babe. Top of the mountain.
Top of the mountain. It is currently 8:42, so we wanted to get out here before the crowd because last time we came here it was pretty busy. So
we're like somewhat eye level to the clouds over there. Like we might be close to like 8,000 or 9,000 feet high.
I know. I'm curious, like in the comments, what your guess is, or if you know, if you want to write it, because I'm intrigued by now to put what it is here. So this is all worth it for sure. We're gonna take in this view, but yeah.
Go higher?
Fun adventure. Let's go. I'm slowly making my way up there. I am so out of breath, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna make it up.
goes all the way over here. Two little feet.
What kind of tracks
Hopping.
do you think those are?
It's not heavy either.
Yeah, it's really light. I wonder what it is. It literally goes from there all the way up there. Well, guy, I wonder what it is. Hopefully he made it safe. Look guys, found some more little tracks. I wonder what it is. Make a little snowball. The snow's too, it's too powdery. I was gonna hit Josh with it, but the snow's a little too powdery. We'll try again. This must be top of the morning to ya.
Good day, mate.
What you doing, pumpkin?
Just looking at this view. Check that. Oh.
Well, it's been an amazing little adventure. I'm very happy with our boots and that we came back. We actually did this trail like 2 weeks ago, and like I said before, we were not dressed properly. So this time around was a lot more enjoyable and we made a lot more progress. We actually went up, that's the mountain we just went on, and then all the way up there is where we drove from. So I think we may keep trekking a little bit more. So
Look at the little house right there. Or the look.
it's all the way up there. Yo, there's a doe right up there. Hey, did I manifest that or what? I literally was like, I want to see some animals. And look what we got right here. I'm gonna be really quiet because oh.
That one's getting on the trail.
What an epic end to our adventure today. That was so beautiful and they were so cute. I was literally just walking ahead of Josh and then he goes, babe. And I was like, do I need to lay down? Because I didn't know what it was. And then he's like, it's a deer. And I looked over and I was like, okay, they're friendly. But it was so fun and so cute. I'm pretty sure I manifested that because up there I was like, I just want to see animals.
You did say that, actually.
So I ended with seeing some beautiful deer, and what a fun time. But I'm gonna end the video here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Peace.